Seems like every new car has a completely different way of saving things as simple as your radio station favorites. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and easy demonstration of how you can save your AM, FM, and even Sirius XM presets on your Kia or Hyundai vehicle. Now, today's first car is the Kia Telluride. We're operating with this software, which is shared with a lot of our current vehicles, so things like the current generation Kia Sportage, but there's also a new software available in some of our more recent vehicles. That's called CCNC. It's going to look a little bit different and the steps are a little bit different. So follow along in this video because we'll show that too. First things first, you're going to want to go into your radio menu. You can find this in different locations. Sometimes it'll be a button, sometimes it'll be somewhere on the screen. But once you're in here, you can select FM, AM, or Sirius XM. For today's demonstration, we'll do one of each. So let's find my favorite station. Where is 97.7? Not here. That's okay. We'll use 91.5 for today's demonstration and save it. You're going to hit the little star there. I'm just going to silence it here. And then we'll go to AM. Same thing. We'll find whichever AM station I like, press this little star here, and then same thing with Sirius XM. Let's do my favorite, channel 35 or 34 lithium. Now we have all of our presets saved under the preset category. This is very, very handy because not only can you scroll through the menu here or have your passenger scroll for you, now it'll also be easy to access from our steering wheel. So when I go to my mode setting and press my arrows here, it'll cycle between my presets and not just every radio station available. So let's see what it looks like on the K4. Now for our next trick, we're doing this on CCNC software. So whether you're running full CCNC or CCNC Lite, it's going to be a similar layout. Number one, you'll have physical buttons, so media will jump you to your media screen, or you can just find it somewhere on the main head unit. Right now we're in Sirius XM, but you can also see the option for AM, or FM, AM, and then of course your Sirius again. Everything's separated, so once I find an FM station I like, I'm going to hit this little star here, and then same thing for Sirius. Let's do Unwell Music, because that's how I'm feeling. Hello?
It says unavailable.
That's because we're inside. If I was outside, it would allow me to select it. Now when I go to favorites, the stations I've selected will appear here, and to remove them, it's as simple as unchecking the star. Now a couple other frequently asked questions is, what if I frequently share my vehicle with, let's say, a partner, or I have a secondary driver? Now on this vehicle, you have something called driver profiles. I'll quickly show you guys here, but we have done some videos explaining what this is. When I'm in my driver 1 profile, my personal one for example, everything that I save regarding my radio presets, my Bluetooth connections, even some of my driver assistance settings will all be saved to my account. So if you have very different music settings or preferences, everything will be synced to your personal account. You won't have to fight over it or change it. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any other tips and tricks you're looking to learn about your vehicle, leave them in the comments down below and we will certainly do a video on it. Thanks for watching, you guys.